So we are very excited, the Sherman Oaks Chamber, to introduce to you Dean Gilford. He is president of Kilowatt Heating and Electric and Air Conditioning. He was born and raised right here in the San Fernando Valley. And besides providing home and business owners with A+ rated 100% satisfaction guaranteed service for the past 28 years, he's been very passionate about getting involved in our community. The United States military recognized Dean with the Patriotic Employer Award, and Kilowatt's headquarters in Sherman Oaks, you may know his building. It's on Sepulveda Boulevard, just south or north of the just north of the 101. You can see it right on Sepulveda. They act as an official drop-off location for a million thanks. And over the years, Kilowatt's collected more than 10,000 thank you cards and delivered them to active duty soldiers and wounded veterans. In addition, Kilowatt sponsors food drives for the new San Fernando Valley Rescue Mission Family Shelter in Northridge. Maybe you've noticed that they created a little free library outside of Kilowatt's building, stocked with books. And they also sponsor many Little League teams and school teams over the years. Kilowatt not only gives to the community, but is recognized with a lot of awards. They were our Sherman Oaks Chamber Business of the Year this year. They're the Patriotic Employer Award by the U.S. Military, Customer Care Dealer Award from American Standard, Angie's List Super Service Award for 2008, 2010, 2011, 2013, and 2015. Best of Encino Award, Technician Seal of Safety, and Valley Economic Development Achievement Award. I've had the privilege of having Dean and his team at my house redoing my air conditioning. You couldn't work with more wonderful professional people, so we're very excited and proud to introduce our Sherman Oaks Chamber Small Business Award recipient, Dean Gilford of Kilowatt.
Hi, everybody. I don't know what else to say after that, but I want to thank Shada. What an inspiration. Wow. And I want to thank Vicki and the Chamber for recognizing Kilowatt. I've been a contractor since 1990. I'm really involved. It's really important to veterans. I employ veterans. I grew up in the Valley. A little emotional, that was weird. Wow. Yeah, the veteran really hits me hard. And I'm not a veteran. I have a nephew who just got back from Afghanistan. He had a Purple Heart, he got hurt. He's at the head. So I guess that's why that touches me. We do background tests and drug testing. So everybody that works for us, if we come into your home, I have daughters, so I'm absolutely crazy with people in my home. I run my business as if somebody came into my home. That's how I would like to reflect everybody else. I mostly do residential repair and replacement. I do a little bit of commercial, but that's not my specialty. It's really existing older homes. And I work with Wells Fargo. They do the financing for us. I want to give you guys kudos. They make it really easy for us. They work directly with me through American Standard. And there's also the HERO program today. So if anybody's not familiar with that, it's for home energy upgrades. I'm very familiar. Talk to me afterwards if you have any questions, even outside of the air conditioning, upgrading. Very familiar with that. What else can I say? Vicki said pretty much everything. I do want to give my wife she's the backbone to the business, and she also has 26 years sobriety as of yesterday. Thank you, everybody here, and change your filter.
Listen.